day 9. Day 9. We're gonna start the vlog off with the advent calendar. I actually ripped all the flaps off of the ones that we've already opened just so it's easier for me to like find what day we're on. So day 9, here it is. Let's open her up. It's another bigger square, which makes me think that it's another pair of crew socks. That is what it looks like. Let's open her up. Oh, these are cute. These are so freaking cute. Cannot even stand it. Look, just look. All right, way too excited about that. I also got my Boxy Charm Premium. Let me make sure about that. Yes, this is the premium box, so I wanted to just very quickly run through what I've got. Mine is the variation number 5. So I don't know if that helps you guys at all, but variation number 5. First thing I got was a Viseart eyeshadow palette. These palettes are bomb. This retails, oh, a cool $80. Psh, no big deal. It's the matte neutrals. And I actually have a Viseart palette that I believe I got during a Boxy pop-up for like $12 on like clearance. And it's all like matte, like neutral colors. Like there's no like pops of pink or blue. Absolutely love the quality. So I'm excited to have yet another variety of Viseart palette. Then I got the Elemis Peptide for Plumping Pillow Facial. And this is a hydrating sleeping mask. This retails for $65. I just want to see what it looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. I know we've gotten skincare from this brand before, and I really, really liked it. So I'm excited for this. Then we got another palette. This is the True and Luscious Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette. Isn't it so funny that I just got rid of so much makeup and so many palettes, yet it just keeps coming in? But that's why I like to get rid of stuff often, because I try it and then if it's not like, oh my gosh, holy grail, I like to get rid of it and give it to somebody who will use it. So, ooh, nice big mirror. Whoa, I almost dropped it. And this is what the palette looks like. Look at this. Are you kidding me? It's like flecks of like shimmer. It's so pretty. These colors are beautiful. I'm definitely going to try this. Like both of those bronzer shades are right up my alley. That highlight looks like it would match me well. Possibly that one too. That one might be a little dark. Beautiful, beautiful blush shade. Okay, I'm in love with this already. We'll test it out maybe in a vlog coming up, but excited about that. That retails for $46. Then I got the Skin & Co. Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. Nice little bath product. This retails for $22. Then we got the Crown All Eyes on You 5-piece brush set. I have too many brush sets, so this might go in a giveaway. Ooh, these are really pretty. It's just white and like a rose gold color. Super, super pretty. So I will save that. And then the last thing in the box was a mascara. It's the It's So Big Volumizing Mascara from Elizabeth Mott. This, I've never tried, but this is actually the same brand. You guys remember that bronzer I was talking about? Was it yesterday or day before in Vlogmas? I got the Elizabeth Mott bronzer, which is actually what I'm wearing now. I really like it a lot. Same brand. I tend to only wear waterproof on my bottom lashes, and I have lash extensions, so I don't really wear mascara on my upper. If it's coming to the end where I need a fill so badly and I'm like going somewhere like an event or something, which, where am I going nowadays? I will put a coat of like regular mascara, but other than that, I don't really use regular, so I might give that to my mom. But yeah, that was everything in Boxy Charm. I still have a Boxy Luxe box coming, so once I get that, probably in the next week or so, I will unbox that in a different vlog. It's a little bit later and I'm on my way to Target to do an order pickup. It's just like a drive-through pickup. However, I think I might still run in and get one more thing. I've been meaning to grab some sort of have like a towel for the main bathroom, like the front bathroom or the guest bathroom for like drying your hands, because the two that I have in there right now are so bad. I mean, not only are they hideous, but they're so just like in the worst shape ever. So I want to try to find, I don't know, maybe like a Christmas holiday themed towel, maybe even just red, I don't know, maybe just white. I'll probably just stick with white, honestly. So I'm gonna run in and look for a towel and then do my order pickup and then head back home.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like.
So I told you guys I was going for how many things? Oh yeah, one, a towel. You ready to see the haul? Here we go. Got the towel. I ended up going with the Threshold $8 towel because there was a $6 one and a $4 one, but it just didn't feel good. This is like plush and soft, so went with this. This will go in the main bathroom. I also got two of the Clorox refillable like toilet wand scrubby things. I absolutely love this Clorox scrubby toilet bowl cleaner little system thing, but all you have to do is just buy the refillable scrubby pads. So I got two of those. Also, we are out of laundry detergent, and I decided to try this Up and Up brand. We'll see how we like it. Then I got some of these Nads facial wax strips I want to kind of try out because I'm real sick of the peach fuzz. And I do that like, you know, you get the little eyebrow razor and you can shave your face and it's like so soft and it kind of like exfoliates or like gets all the dead skin cells off too. But I feel like I maybe only want to do that once every couple of months or so. So I think I'm going to try these. I also got some whole bean coffee for Carlos. My brother texted me talking about how delicious this Zero kombucha is, this Hum Kombucha Zero. And he told me he got it from like Grocery Outlet, and then I saw it at Target and I was like, well, guess I better try it. It's only 10 calories for the whole can and he said it's really good. He had a different flavor, but I decided to go with raspberry lemonade. I picked up some milk, some of this olive hummus, love this stuff. A 3-pack of unsalted butter for baking. 2 bags of lettuce that Carlos and I will have salads with. Then I got a pack of these Hawaiian rolls because Carlos and I make these like mini sliders in the oven that are a bomb. So I got these rolls along with ground beef. This is the 85% lean ground beef. And then a variety of cheese. We have mild cheddar, sharp cheddar, but it's thick cut, and then pepper jack. And then last but not least, I got suckered into the most beautiful display at Target. Uh-oh, cheese fell. Like I was saying, the most beautiful display of cocktails. They're like pre-mixed cocktails, but they are just so beautiful looking, so I had to buy one. They're called On the Rocks Premium Cocktails, and they are so beautiful. Like they had all the different colors, which were all different cocktails, of course, like on the shelves, and the lights from Target were just shining on them, and I knew I had to try one. Plus the guy that like works for this company was there, and he was like, honestly, like they're really good. They're $10 a bottle, $9.99, and you get 3 like full-size drinks out of them. So the one I got is the jalapeno pineapple margarita. So literally all you do is pour it over rocks and you are good to go. So can't get easier than that. I honestly think I might go back and buy one. They had a drink, I can't remember which one it was, but it had vodka in it, and my mom loves vodka, so I almost think I might go pick one up for her to like put in her stocking or something for Christmas. So I will report back when I try this. So yeah, that was it for my little haul. I kind of want to try this right now. Oh, my brother is obsessed with kombucha. It's sick. Okay, that's bomb. It's carbonated. It is so good. Oh my god. Here you go.
Thank you. Stop it.
What do you think you have on your lip?
Oh, Chipotle.
Chipotle! Here's your C's candy. We have 2 walnut bars, walnut square bars. Never had those, have you?
Oh, want to try one?
And then nuts and chews. You still have something right there. What do you think it is?
I don't know, but stop with it.
Try an almond square. I mean a walnut square. Careful. Are you gonna do a taste test? Can you please do a walnut square mukbang?
Mukbang?
A mukbang.
Okay.
I really like your outfit too.
Thank you. It's my clean the garage outfit. Walnut square, they come in individual wraps.
That's actually cool. I didn't know they did
Very,
that.
very good. It could be really good little individual stocking stuffers. Mm.
Now hold your hand behind it so it really focuses. There we have it. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you make of that?
C's always gets a 10 in my book.
I'm gonna get copyrighted. Oh, you're my princess!
I just showered her, bathed her.
She's pretty. You guys think that they're getting a lot of exercise in with the Peloton being right here? So this used to be my sister's room and she moved to my old room and now they're sanding and staining the hardwood floors. Mary really, I feel like, had the best room except for this small closet.
Look at the bathroom.
It's a pretty small closet, but she has always had a bathroom attached.
I'm thinking those pictures might look cute in here.
Yeah, it looks, look at that. Cute.
These might look cute in here.
What? Oh yeah, those will match.
Either on the wall or
Well, like maybe pick a couple, not three.
Like here and here. Move that one over there.
I
and-
think, I don't mean to be rude, but that has got to go.
No, I just bought it.
Mom,
It'll look good over the wood
Mom,
stuff.
it's
Look,
so bad, girl.
I just bought it.
Oof, you better just return it. It's so ugly.
Oh.
I mean, god
Do you
awful.
think these would be better?
I mean, I'm not sure how much better those are, but anything is better than that.
That is rude.
I know.
I like this.
And then it's just like one of them. It's just chilling there all by itself.
Well, I want to cover up the blemishes in the wall.
I would do two. Yeah, I think
there?
that's kind of cute.
You like it?
Do you want me to hold it so you can see? Let me do
I'm
that.
gonna go get a nail.
I forget what the other one was.
Oh no.
Hang on, let's just put this up.
Oh no.
Oh no. Okay. And then the other one should go like where? Right there?
Yeah, maybe we should dust them.
Listen, the amount of dust that was on them, it was unreal.
Oh.
I did dust them, believe it or not. This is. Where'd you get this from, you think? Hobby Lobby?
Yeah.
I could tell. No,
But I like it.
I like Hobby Lobby. Sometimes they just have some things that make me question, well, everything about my whole life. So this
Your whole
one
life.
was here.
I
Well, that's gonna be
guess,
too low of a nail.
Yeah. Well, you just go up in the hole that I put already. I put 3 holes. Go in the top one.
No!
Yeah, those with the wood.
Mother,
Believe ya.
do you want? How many things are you gonna put on the walls? The walls are gonna come caving in.
Well, what am I gonna do with this now?
Return it.
I took the tag off.
Y'all, my mom is off the hook. Literally off the hook. I'm going home. It's exhausting. I come over here to drop something off for her and she puts my ass to work. So it's time to bake those cookies I was talking about. Those famous, delicious Reese's Peanut Butter Cup cookies. I have out everything that I need. I just need to unwrap 40 Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. So let's go.
Something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you.
All right, I know I sped through that, but that definitely made top 3 of the most annoying things I've ever had to do. We need to cream together the butter, sugar, peanut butter, and brown sugar. All right. My mom always told me never crack an egg over your recipe because if a shell goes in there, you'll never know. So a teaspoon of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of milk. I poured it into this, that way I didn't have the milk sitting out for that long. Now we add the flour, salt, baking soda. Let's go. By the way, ignore our dinner on the back stove. We had little baked sliders and tater tots. Got this big boy a long time ago. I want to say Hobby Lobby. And what you're gonna do is, I have my little scooper, and you're just going to roll a ball and put it into each little nook. And this whole thing won't be filled up. Last time I was able to make 30 cookies. This recipe for some reason says 40. So we'll see how many we get out of this.
Something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down.
Well, I was able to get 35 this time, so that's good. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven. They go in for 8 minutes, and then you immediately take them out and shove one of these boys in every single cookie.
You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping.
All done. Now all they have to do is cool, and then I get to stack them up in my cute little cake stand. You excited? Is that a yes?
Yeah.
Well, you didn't say anything.
Oh. Kind of excited. I mean, they're all right.
You said you liked them last time.
I know, I do like them.
I know, gosh.
I ate them all, so yeah. That should tell you
I know
something.
you did.
I don't like chocolate, you know? I'm not a big chocolate guy.
God, it's bad for me over here. Anyway, I'm gonna let them cool, and then I'm gonna stack them, like I said, over in the cake stand, and we're gonna call it a night.
We're gonna end the vlog here. We'll see you tomorrow for, wow, Vlogmas Day 10.
Bye.